So now we're in one of our true accessible suites. So these rooms are roughly around 4 square meters bigger than our true suites, and they're designed and they're built with accessibility in mind. So there's a lot of things that we've tweaked so they're slightly different to help people who may need extra support with their room. They're also in close location to a mobility scooter or a wheelchair store, so it's only a short distance away if you obviously need extra storage for those items. When you come into the room space, you've got a full-size mirror here, so you can make sure you look brilliant before you leave for the day. And we've also got high-level plugs and low-level plugs, so you can plug in your hair dryers or hairstyles, and you can use whichever suits you best. Moving on over, we then come into the open space with your kitchen area, your bed space, and also your desk with your wardrobe in the corner. I'm going to talk you quickly through the kitchen and how you can adapt it to make it fit for what you need. So this height can be altered by just turning this to make sure it's comfortable for what you need it to do. This is obviously your sink with a draining section, and you can use it to prepare your food here. This is your 2-ring induction hob with your really strong extractor fan. We believe that because you cook and live in the space, extraction is really important, so it sucks away all the lovely cooking smells. Of course, down here, you've got your microwave and oven combination here, all brand new. And you've got a drawer under there as well for your kitchen utensils. Moving just quickly over here, you've got an integrated fridge freezer space, and you've got cupboard space up here as well, which you can store your food or your items like that. Moving on over to the space here, this is your full-size double bed, and it lifts up and it's got underbed storage in there as well. So you can keep your suitcases or big boxes hidden under there so it's out of your space. Your television's going to go up here. Don't worry, it'll be here before you arrive. It's just brand new for this year, so we've still got to put that in for you. Moving over to this space here, you've got your lovely desk area. And of course, a little shelf there to put your phone or whatever you want whilst you're sleeping. Drawer space here, which is great to hide your books and items away. And of course, really nice big shelving space that you can put all your knickknacks and make it look really personal. Again, you've got your pin board there, so you can pin up photos, your university timetable, whatever you'd like, you can pin up on there. Moving over here, this is your cupboard and wardrobe space. So here you've got a shelf at the top, you've got a rail in the middle for your hanging items, and then you've got shelving at the bottom. Last but not least, in this small area here, you've got this can move. You've got a little chest of drawers section that can move around here. So you can position this within the space that suits you for what you'd like. And of course, you've got drawers in that and then a shelf there. I'm just going to walk past over here and show you your entrance. So this is the entrance into the space. So you've got your front door here, and it's a really nice wide space here. So obviously it gives you plenty of space to move around your room. You've got coat hooks and bag hooks here, so you can pop your bag or your coat as soon as you come in from uni. And then you've got your radiator here. So you can control the heating of your room by this thermostat here. So you can have it as hot or as cold as you'd like. That's all down to you to choose. We don't alter that. Before I show you the bathroom, I'm also just going to point out that we've got call points up there. So if you ever need any assistance whilst you're in bed, you can simply pull that and it comes all the way down to reception. So a member of staff will be straight up to assist you. Moving through here, this is your ensuite bathroom. As you can see, it's a wet room, so it's all nice and open so you can move around the space really easily. You've got a privacy curtain here for when you're showering. You've also got an accessible seat and handles there just in case you need the support. Of course, you've got the waterfall shower head and the side shower as well. You've also got a call point up there as well, so if you find that you need any assistance in this area, just simply pull that and someone will be straight up. You've got your toilet area with handles as well, which can lift up and down. You can use these obviously as assistance as you see fit. And then you've got your sink and a beautiful light up mirror with a lower down touch point so you can switch it on and off. Okay. Last but not least, you've got another call 4.32 metres.